everyone, this is Rihanna with Colton RV and Marine. Today we're checking out our new 2024 17 BHC Dutchmen, Colorado. So as part of our Summer's Fun event this summer, we are offering this camper at $16,998. In addition to that, this camper is going to hold its trade-in value. So if you decide to trade in within the first year, you will get $16,998 as a trade-in credit toward a regular priced item. After the first year, up until the second year, you will receive 80% credit when trading this camper in towards a regular price purchase. So that's our special we have on this. It's a perfect first time camper. So again, it's a 17-foot bunkhouse model. So it's going to be nice and lightweight, very towable. On the outside, you have a nice pass-through storage area. This pass-through does have the magnetic clamps on the walls, so that'll make it nice and easy for you. You do have a power awning. It covers the door, gives you a nice camping area. On the back here, this camper is prepped for a backup camera. So all the wiring's there. You would just purchase a lens and we can plug it right in for you. So unloaded weight on this camper is 3,080 pounds. Your gross vehicle weight rating is 3,990 pounds. So again, super towable. A larger SUV could tow this, small trucks. On the roof, there is a WineGuard 360 Wi-Fi antenna. So this is Wi-Fi capable. All right, let's check out the inside. All right, so this floor plan does have a queen size bed. You have some storage underneath it. So in addition to your pass-through storage, you have a little cubby here. On the wall here, there is an AC unit. You do have a dinette. There is storage on this side of the bench. This will turn into a bed as well. They give you a nice folding table here. So you'd put that down to make the bed, but you can also take it outside and use it for, cooking outside. With this being a bunkhouse unit, you have 2 bunk beds here. The weight limit on these is 300 pounds. This unit does have storage in the bunk. There is a nice little window there, a couple lights here for the kids. You do have a furnace on this unit. So a lot of things in this size category, don't always have a furnace. This one does have the propane furnace. You have a nice sized bathroom here. On this wall, you have a full kitchen. So you have a small electric refrigerator, 3.3 cubic feet. It's an Everchill. They tend to cool down very quickly. You also have a microwave, a 2-burner propane cooktop, nice size sink, and tons of storage. Nice big cabinets. And then some nice overhead cabinets as well. This unit does come with a Bluetooth speaker. And you are prepped to put a TV up by the queen bed. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to take advantage of our trade-in special on this unit, just give us a call, Colton RV and Marine, 716-694-0188, and my extension is 413.